Hello everyone and welcome to my new series of video presentations related to PrimeXBT. This is Scramble from Emotional Crypto Trading, and today I'm going to share with you in the first video how to do your first deposit. It's going to be a tutorial video presentation which is going to share with you step by step the entire process. So stay with me till the end and make sure to like the video in order to get this thing popular out there and rated in front of the community. So here we go, guys. In order to do your deposit, you definitely need to be on the website first and have an account. You can do that by clicking the link in the description area if you don't have one, or in the comments area. This will allow you to participate in my team and benefit certain bonuses from the fees that will be less while you are trading, right? So you can do that for your benefit. Going towards that, once you're on the website, you'll have to click on the register button right here in the top right corner, the blue one, and then simply complete your details. And once you're done with that, confirming your email address, you're going to receive an email, you confirm that, you get back to the website and you click login. And you put your email just like I did it with the password, and then you click login. Very simple. Then you will have a quick introduction here, which is presented by them, but I'm going to do this directly with you. You can simply click on the X button right there that you just see me do, and click on the account right here top left corner, and then there's more ways to do your deposit. There is simply the wallet representation here with the deposit. There's also the deposit tab on the left side on the menu, which is sharing directly the address, and on the right top corner there is the deposit wallet as well, which is driving you to the same page that you can see right now. So the way I'm suggesting is pretty much click here on the left side, deposit, on this logo right here. It's going to drive you to your personal Bitcoin deposit address. What you have to do towards that is go to your wallet from where you have your Bitcoins, copy this address if you work by address, or scan the QR code if you work with that. While you're scanning it, make sure it is all correct and you verify the address is going to be introduced automatically from the QR code. Whatever direction you go, you always have to verify the address. Important notes that you definitely need to keep in mind: that you can send only Bitcoins to PrimeXBT. So no Ethereum is accepted, no Bitcoin Cash, no any other cryptocurrency out there is working with PrimeXBT. Everything is running on BTC. Very clear. At the moment, there is a minimum deposit of 0.001, right? So this amount of money at today's rate is about $10. This is fluctuating, obviously, depending on the price of BTC. This is definitely fluctuating. If you deposit less, you're going to have troubles receiving your funds because they're not going to appear up. So no less than $10, however, no less than this amount. On the other side, you definitely need to wait for your deposit to receive all the confirmations. At this time, there is 3 minimum confirmations on the blockchain. And once that happens, you're going to have your funds ready to go and trade it. Your deposit will show up in the deposit history right here. Give it time, guys. Don't complete the transaction and right away refresh the screen to see your deposit completed and all that stuff, because it's not happening that fast. You need 10, 15, 20 minutes for the system to update all this data and information sometimes. And that's why, pretty much I want to put this in the right way. Good. So this is where we are, guys. We have here the buy Bitcoin instantly as an alternative deposit, which allows you to convert through Changely. This is a third-party service. For example, you have $250 that you want to pay. So the guys are going to tell you the amount of Bitcoins you will receive for that amount of dollars. And then you simply go to the exchange. You'll receive your recipient's BTC address. You put your email. You pretty much complete I'm not a robot, and then you proceed ahead. This is the way you can pretty much purchase cryptocurrency via credit card or swap any other cryptocurrency from the Changely, which is a third-party service exchange, right? That's the way it works, guys. It is a process that I'm not really familiar, as I've never done right here on PrimeXBT, but I did exchange with Changely, which is a serious company out there. However, I don't really suggest you to use Changely in comparison with other services where you can exchange your money, because the fees are higher. So I'm not really a fan of paying more money than less, and nobody should be. Therefore, prepare Bitcoins whatsoever, and you can exchange your Bitcoins without too much fees and going back and forth on the Binance exchange, right? So you can do your exchange on Binance, you can do on Coinbase. However, you definitely need to be prepared for PrimeXBT with BTCs. If you have Ethereum and you want to go through the process of alternative deposits, Changely will do your deposit for you. They're going to give you the possibility for that. You send Ethereum, they exchange it directly in Bitcoin, and they send you Bitcoins, but the fees are higher and it's not worth it. So that is the process and explanation of the depositing thing, guys. Hopefully this video is not too long. It has about 6 minutes to go. And that's pretty much, all for the first video related to PrimeXBT. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, watch the series related to PrimeXBT, because we're partners and we're putting out tons of videos out there. In the same time, make sure you sign up from the link located in the description area. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.